back with another Dollar Tree haul. This one is so good. I'm so excited for it. I don't know where my microphone went, so hopefully my microphone through here is good enough. I really hope. Grab a snack, subscribe, let's get into it. First thing we got is this prototype cleansing, hydrating, replenishing hydrant, all hair types, hair care, 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. My test. Okay, this one's good. So we got this. Excited to try that. Then we found the wrist lanyard for your phone. So we got pink, black, and the gray. So we got one of each. And I'm gonna get my phone and we're gonna test it out real quick. I gave up. I couldn't figure out for the life of me. The directions made no sense. Moving on, we got some new shoe charms. So how cute are these? So we got those. And then we got this set. I love this set. I think they're so cute. So I got those. Then, probably my favorite find is this Emily in Paris, the official authorized companion to Emily Copper's Secret in Paris. And it's literally from, like, the movie and stuff. Like, it's actually crazy. For $1.50, I was not mad about that. So, we got that. Then, we got, oh, here it is. We got the Stay Defined Matte Brow Pencil by that Cookie brand. It's in a toffee blonde. I'm very excited to try this. So I got that. Then we got some new nail files. So you get a glass one and then like a normal one. This is a Salome. This is a Dolce Vita. Like, how cute is that? Got that one. I was gonna say, I know there's a couple more. And then we got this Good Vibes one. The glass nail files are so good, truly. Then we got the cherry one. So, good deal there. Then we got the lip stain shade stay in Wildflower. I love these. So we got that one. And then we got the Define It gel eyeliner in Black Silk. So try that. Then we got the lip stain in Serenade. I love a good lip stain. Then we got the light shifting eyeshadow. I was very excited to actually try this just because I think it's so pretty. Like, how cool is that? So we got this to try out. Then, favorite lip balm ever, the Shortcake. Then we got the brightening drops. These I really do like. Then we got the Cerno Just Swipe and Go blush and cheek stain. Lip and cheek stain for a gift. So, oh, never mind. And then we got the Raspberry Souffle Moisturizing Gel Mask. Then we got the Le Mercier Lip Tint in Rosy Mauve. Velvet Brown. And Blush Veil. Bag number 1 complete. Okay, had to take my hair down. It was giving me a headache. I do have the Le Mercier lip tint on. Can you really see it? Not really. But anyway, let's keep going. So the next thing we got is the Pineapple Sunset Body Mist. This smells so good. I'm not even kidding. Like, so good. I might have to get another one of these. That's how good it smells. But we got that. And then we got the Passion Fruit Escape scent. And these are the only two I liked. I did not like the coconut at all. So I might have to pick up another one of these two because these are fantastic. So we got that. Then we got the VO5 Hair Care Miracle Detangling Leave-In Spray and reduces frizz, detangles, and restores. And this is a dupe for the absolute 10, or I forget what's the dupe. I saw it on TikTok. But anyway, for $1.25, yes please, and I love a good detangling spray. So we got that. Then, while we're on hair, we got these new Sophie hair ties, and these don't leave dents, and these don't rip out your hair either. So we got this set, and then we got a more colorful set. So, got those. Then, we got some new face masks. So by Spa Essentials, we got the Melon Glow Up Hydrating Watermelon Jelly Mask. How cute is that? Then we got the Spa Essentials Keep Calm and Mask On with black tea. And this is soothing. Got that. Then, random, got the Glow Up Serum Lotion Sunset Coral as a gift. So we got that. Then we got the Bonjour Dew Hydrating Face Mask with rose water. That one. Then I got 2 of the matcha ones because I'm so into matcha like scents and everything right now. So I got that. Then I got the Peel Nourishing and Softening Nourishing Cream Mask, banana. Like, how fun is that actually? Like, are we kidding? So I got that. And then, of course, I got the Perfect Eyes Under Mask, the black cat. As we know, I have a black cat, so I had to get these. And then we got the Big Apple face mask. Like, they stepped up their game. Like, how cute. And then we did get the Peachy Smooth Jelly face mask as well. Then we got the Diamond Painting Coaster in this purple flower. I love doing these. I have one right next to me actually, and I love doing them. So we got the purple flower, and then I just got this like pink red flower. Then got this little organizer, and how cute is it? It's in like pink print, and it's a storage keyboard. These are great for vacation. So got that. And then the last thing I got from this bag are the Amber Glow facial wipes with the mirror on them. Like, I was so stoked to finally find the mirrored facial wipes. So of course we got those. So that is it for bag number 2. Okay, then we got the Vanilla Cream Scented Hand Sanitizer. Finally found it. And then we got the Sugared Pistachio. And of course we got the cases too already. Found the cases before the actual hand sanitizer. So we finally got those, which I'm super excited for. And found another matcha face mask. Then we got the Blossom Pure Hair Care Coconut Conditioning Wash. Cleanse and moisturize. And this is a name brand, so I was very excited to find this. So we snagged her. Or that, I meant. Then we got the Vitamin C Glow Melting Cleansing Balm with Turmeric by Global Beauty Care. And I love a melting balm. So I was super excited to find this. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, they're typical packaging, but still cute. So we got the melting balm. Then we got the Vitamin C Glow Illuminating Face Oil with Turmeric. So we got the oil to go with it. And then we got the Shimmering Moisturizer with Turmeric. And of course, I did not get the facial cleanser just because I did not need another cleanser. But I did pick up, obviously, 3 other things in the line. So we got that. Then we got the Deep Woods Vitamin Infused Magnesium Deodorant Winning Formula. So this was, I'm pretty sure, isn't this the Jake Paul brand? I'm pretty sure that's sold at Walmart. Well, now it's a Dollar Tree, and I know we found the shampoo, the conditioner, the body wash, and now we got the deodorant. So we got that. And go great in baskets. Then we got Lavender Vanilla Scented Lip Mask. The night before Christmas little lip mask in lavender. And then, I think that, yeah, and then Strawberry Rose. So, 2 scents of those. Then, we found the Glow Getter Brightening Serum Stick. So we got that one. And then we got the Do It All Hydrating Serum Stick, which I'm super excited to try. We got that. Then we got the Koki, is that how you say it? Nourishing Tint Lip Oil. I've seen this all over TikTok. I was so excited to find it. I'm so excited to try this one. So we got that. Bag number 3, check. Last one coming up.